Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. In our session of today, we are going to learn how to set index of pandas data structure. Our session will be categorized into the following parts. Number 1, meaning of index. Number 2, set single index. Number 3, set multiple index. Number 4, reset index. Number 1, meaning of index. Before going on, let's know what is the meaning of index. Index is the most left column of data frame, which may be default data frame index or user set index. Usually, default index is continually increasing in integers by starting at 0. Index can be of data type string, whereby it can be shown as object. Index is the core feature of pandas data structure, as it is used to access data by label or position. Also, you can have multiple index or single index according to the need of their use. Number 2, set single index. Now, add your cell to set index. Data is equal to read underscore CSV bracket file name, comma, index underscore call mains column is equal to none. We are ignoring to set the column, so we will use default data frame or data structure of pandas index. If you ignore or you do not specify index, you will use the default index. Yes, you will use the default index of pandas data structure, which include cells and data frame. Data, now put a comment will be used. Enter data dot head bracket. Now if you run your cell, you will not have index. Add a new cell. Data is equal to data dot set underscore index bracket square bracket single quote data dot head bracket, put a comment. This will set club column as index. Now we can see column called club is our new index. Add a new cell. Data is equal to data dot set underscore index bracket square bracket single quote goals data dot head bracket, put a comment. This will set column called the goals as new data frame index. Now if you run your cell, column called the goals is our new index. Number 3, set multiple index. Now add the new cell, then write the following: data is equal to data dot set underscore index brackets square brackets single quote crabs comma single quote goals data dot head brackets, put a comment. This will set crab and goals columns as index. Now you can see column named the crab and the goals is our new index. That is how to set multiple index in Python pandas. Add a new cell, then write the following: data is equal to read CSV brackets path, the name of your file, which is a file name, comma index underscore call index column is equal to none, means you are denying or ignoring your previous multiple index you set before. Yes, data dot head bracket. Now you can see we have ignored the previous multiple index we set before. Put a comment if you ignore or not specify index. You will use default index of data structure in pandas, which may be default index of series or data frame. Add a new cell, data is equal to data dot set underscore index brackets square brackets single quote crab comma single quote position comma goals. Data dot head bracket. Now you can see now we have column named crab, position and goals as our new multiple index. Post a comment. This will set club, comma, position and the goals as column. Then run your cell. Now you can see there is error. This is probably kernel problem. Run your cell again, your previous cell. Now everything is fine. Number 4, reset index. Add a new cell, then write the following. Data is equal to data.setIndex brackets, square brackets, single quote, then crab, comma, single quote, goals. Data.head bracket, put a comment. This will set crab and goals as column as index. Run your cell. Now crab and goals are your new index. Add new cell. Data is equal to data dot reset underscore index brackets, square brackets, single quotes, crab, comma, single quote goals. This will remove column crab and goals as index we set from the previous set, from the previous cell. Put a comment. This will remove index you set before to default index. Now if you run your cell, you can see. Thanks for watching. The next video about Python pandas will be uploaded tomorrow at 2 p.m. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for next video update.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.